Alpha Crypto PG analyst, give us updates now.
How far, my people? I thought I say we still get some little slogan where we dey use and some short words. So the one I bring for now today na the one of coins wey dey and how we take dey call their name short. Shey you understand? Everybody don sabi Bitcoin now, say Bitcoin na BTC. Shey you get? So ma come still give now another some short name wey we dey call that token and their full name. So we dey call Ethereum ETH. So if you don hear ETH, you go know say na Ethereum. Another one BNB. BNB means Binance token. Shey you understand? You go don know say na Binance token. E get one wey we dey call SOL again. That one na Solana. If you don hear SOL, you don know say na Solana. So again what we dey call Luna. That Luna na Terra coin, but their short name na Luna. You fit call them lunatic. I don't know, maybe dem get craze, but if you call them lunatic. So e get some wey dey call LTC again. That LTC, the full name na Litecoin. Shey you get? All these coin wey I dey mention na alternative o. So make you try do research. I no talk say make you buy am o. So e get one wey we dey call ICP, Internet Computer Token. Yes, e dey. So e get one wey we dey call Mana. Shey you understand? Mana, that one na Decentraland token. E get another one wey we call Sand. Yes, Sand. The Sandbox. The full name na the Sandbox. Shey you understand? So all those this Sandbox na metaverse token. E get this one again, FTM, Phantom. Yeah, Phantom. Yeah, we get this Phantom too. And e get one wey we dey call ADA, and you fit call am Ada, anyone wey you like, which is Cardano token. So like that, you know, we get like thousands of cryptocurrency. But if you don't go coin market cap or you go coin gecko, see now I believe if you don't go coin gecko, you go dey see those short name. Shey you dey see am? You go see those short name there. So una no worry, make we still dey learn on our way. Make we still dey learn, dey go. And e get something wey they call POS again. That one na proof of stake. Omo, that one no be coin o, but e dey among. No be POS wey people dey withdraw money o, but everything dey cryptocurrency. So anything wey you no understand, wey you just dey hear the slogan for crypto, just try do your own research. You go get am there. Thank you.